So these are some of the items I got from CB2. I am obsessed with CB2, but first let me just mention for Crate and Barrel, I went around the store to mainly look at their botanicals because Crate and Barrel, in my opinion, has the best, hands down, quality made botanicals. Okay. I'm obsessed with all of their faux stems and their faux decoration. Their plants, their stems, their flowers, everything is just so beautiful. Some of those items you saw me touching, like some of the flowers, it had this like silky kind of suede finish to it, but the majority of them are very realistic in person. So I'm still kind of like looking around and trying to figure out which ones I want to order. But that was definitely a great way for me to get ideas, going in the store, walking around, picking them up, bunching them together to figure out what pieces I like. So CB2, I mainly wanted to find items for my living room just to add some pops of color for the fall. My living room is predominantly very neutral colors, neutral couch. My couch is like a cream color ivory. My curtains are ivory. So you're going to see a lot of like blacks and creams and golds and just, different shades of browns. Like the vase behind me is kind of like an orangey brownish color. This is the first item I got from CB2. It's such a gorgeous pillow cover. I did not get the pillow cover with the insert. I already have pillow inserts. So what I typically do, I change my pillow covers and then I just swap out my pillow covers through the year. But this one is a gorgeous suede. So I got 2 covers and I put them on my 2 armchairs, and I'll add a little video picture of that as I'm speaking. This one is one of my favorites, and that's because this is actually Turkish silk. For this one, I did purchase the insert, and I did the down feather insert with the cover as well. I mean, the quality of this is just amazing. I like to invest in quality furniture for my home. And the reason being is that it lasts so long. Instead of buying brand new things all the time, I've noticed that getting items from certain stores over the years, they tend to just look horrible. What's good about these types of pillows is that, like I said, you can remove the cover. And I simply hand wash these. And then when I'm tired of looking at the same color, I just swap out my pillow cover. I have so many different colors. And the next item is this pillow right here. I, again, just purchased the cover. I did not purchase the insert because I already had the insert, and I got 2 of these. This is actually pure linen. You can definitely feel it on the back of the pillow. I really like this zipper. It's a nice thick zipper, and actually like the color of this zipper. And last but not least, I have been looking at this vase for a long time. When you just keep staring at something and you're like, should I get it? Should I get it? Should I get it? This is one of those items that I've just been staring at. And I finally said, you know what? Get it. Like, what are you waiting for? I love this vase. I love everything about it. I love this little dent here. This is the Mo black and white ceramic vase. It's actually on sale right now for $110. I think the original price was $135. This was actually made by hand in Portugal, and it is made with liquid clay. This is a perfect vase for like larger blooms. I haven't styled it yet. I just put it on my coffee table. My coffee table is a little small, but I'm going to add a side piece just to kind of have more table space, I guess, in the living room. That is my mini haul for now. My next haul is going to be the botanicals from Crate and Barrel, and I will definitely share that with you guys as I continue to decorate for the fall season. But my next project is decorating the entryway. I completely redid the entryway. I have nothing there, just a mirror. So I hope you tune in for that also. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo!